Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in and Face ID or Touch ID is set up for payments. Once done, open Messages or the Wallet app and pull up the contact you want to pay. Make sure you have Apple Cash balance or a linked debit card available. This matters because Apple Cash uses the balance first and falls back to a debit card. Now tap the Apple Pay Cash or Apple Cash button to begin the send flow. Next, enter the exact dollar amount using the keypad and check for cents if splitting something. Then pick whether to send from Apple Cash or your linked debit card. Apple Cash is instant, debit card may take longer to charge. Once you see the payment preview, review recipient name and amount to avoid mistakes. After confirming details, you must authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authorize and trigger the network authorization step that completes the send request. Finally, tap Send and wait for the on-screen confirmation. You'll see the transaction in Messages and in Wallet's transaction history. If the payment stalls or fails, make sure your device has a working internet connection, verify Apple's system status, and confirm your bank hasn't blocked the charge or hit a transfer limit. If funds moved incorrectly or you need a refund, first contact the recipient, and if unresolved, contact Apple support through settings for guided dispute steps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.